Oh, you read that title. Damn right, bro. That's not clickbait. You've been single your whole life? It's been a while since you got a girlfriend? With this video, in 7 days, 1 week, I'm gonna make your crush fall in love with you. These tactics, they're great power, okay? They're just too strong. I didn't want to share them, but you know what? I care for you, bro. I'm gonna give you the best of the best, so in 7 days, with these psychological tricks, you're gonna get any girl to fall in love with you. That sounds interesting. Let's hop into it. Day 1, I call it the scouting, okay? Bro, who is your crush? You don't have one? Then I need you to go out and start scouting. Go to the mall, go to your school, go wherever there's girls and start looking. Who's the one? You need a target. You need a North Star. If you don't have a goal to achieve, how do you know where you're going, all right? Find the girl you want to pursue, scout her, and make her your target. Day 2, okay? Okay? Practice. Today we're practicing on day 2. Let me give you an example. What if I were to tell you right now as you're watching this, here's a basketball, here's a court, here's the half court line. If you make this one shot on one try, I give you $1 million. And you can take your time. You can come back tomorrow and take it, or you can do it next week and take it. Would you feel confident enough to grab the basketball out of my hands and take the shot? Would you? Because if you do, you're crazy. You are crazy. Of course you shouldn't take that basketball. Instead, you should go home and practice 1,000, 10,000 half-court shots to increase your chances of success. Then you come back to me tomorrow or next week, and now your chances of actually winning that $1 million just increased 1,000-fold. The same thing goes for girls. You're not a pro at talking to them, so practice talking to them on social media. If you don't have any girlfriends on social media, go on Omegle and talk to random girls. Go to the mall, just talk to random girls and practice not being awkward in front of them. That way, when you do go for that $1 million shot with your crush, you're not an awkward creep in front of her eyes. Day 3, you've already practiced, you're about to take your $1 million shot. I call it making contact. She needs to acknowledge your existence, bro. There is no way in hell, there's no rational way this girl's gonna like you, your crush is gonna like you if she doesn't even know you exist or doesn't have a shred of evidence knowing that you even have any interest in her. That's why when you make contact, you gotta make sure you look your best, all right? You gotta leave a hell of an impression. Obviously, we're on crunch time, so you're not gonna redo your whole wardrobe, so you already know where we're going here, right? I've told you 1,000,000 times. You don't need to redo your wardrobe. All you need are basic accessories. Accessories will make even the most basic outfit look way better and leave a memorable impression on any girl you approach. That's why I love rose gold and black, yo. See, with rose gold and black, you can put like a necklace, a bracelet, something simple, and all of a sudden that basic t-shirt or that basic button down looks more stylish. It looks like you put in more effort. This is what I love about rose gold and black, that with rose gold and black, not only are the accessories affordable, so you don't have to break the bank trying to look better, they're also versatile. See, they're super minimal, and they're created with this masculine design behind them, so they're super easy to style. Even if you've never worn jewelry before, wearing rose gold and black jewelry is easy. See, the colors that they represent are usually rose gold and black, so they're very manly, versatile colors that you can incorporate with any piece in your wardrobe. The great part with rose gold and black is that they got everything. Whether you're into rings, watches, bracelets, or necklaces, they got something for you, and they got so many different designs that I promise you, you're gonna want to pick something up. Now here's the crazy part. Rose Gold and Black right now is having an early access to their Black Friday sale only for you guys. If you guys click the link down below, this is strictly for the TMF community, where they have everything up to 45% off. Yo, did you hear that? Almost 50% off. This is the largest sale of the year, and you're getting first access to it. What's even better, if you like the minimal collection, what they call the minimal bar collection, you'll also get an additional 10% off if you use that special code that's down below for the Odyssey collection on their necklaces, on top of the massive sale they're having. So these pieces are crazy affordable, and you can pick something up without breaking the bank and start looking better. That way, when you approach a girl, yo, she's gonna remember. Like, you're not gonna look like a regular guy. You're gonna look like a stylish dude that takes care of himself, that takes care of the details. And I promise you, it's all about the details with women. They pick up that small stuff, and when you do make contact, yo, that's gonna be an impression she's not gonna forget. And you're already off to a killer start, and we're only on day 3. Boys, if you guys wanna check out Rose Gold and Black, like I said, click the link down below, get that early access before anybody else does, and get that 45% off, which is crazy. Day 4, get her contact, all right? You've already made contact with her, right? She's acknowledged your existence. She knows there's some sort of interest. Day 4, you're gonna get her contact information. This could be her Snapchat. This could be her Instagram. This could be her phone number. Now, there are levels to this. See, you can gauge how much she already has interest in you or likes you depending on what she gives you. See, if she gives you her Instagram, there's interest, but she's a little reserved. If she gives you her Snap, that's a little bit more personal. So that means, she wants to see where this is going. If she gives you her phone number, this is the most personal thing she can give you, and therefore she probably likes you and wants to proceed with this. If you kill it on the contact phase, if you look like a stud on the contact phase, chances are she'll give you her phone number. Day 5, establish intent. I always say this, intent is everything. You gotta let a girl know. Like, I ain't here to be buddy-buddy with you. You're not gonna put me in the friend zone like you did Trey. I'm Jose and things will go my way. Wait a minute, that rhymed a little bit. Okay, obviously you're not gonna talk to her like that, but you won't go out and text her like you guys are friends or buddy-buddy. You gotta show intent off the get. Talk to her a little bit, ask her a few questions, get to know her a little bit. She might get to know you. After a few lines of texting, establish intent and tell her that you wanna take things into real life to get to know each other better at a more personal level and try to establish a time and a date for an actual meeting. That's what you need. That's the intent that you're gonna do on day 5. Day 6, this is when you create intimacy. See, it's usually good to try to schedule your date within that week. So if you can be like, yo, let's say it's a Thursday, and you'll be like, yo, you're free tomorrow night? This is your day 6, this is your next day. That way, the fire's still fresh, right? This in person is much easier to create that intimate connection that leads to that sexual attraction that you're trying to build between you and your crush. To do that, you're gonna have to open up a little bit. Don't give up your whole enchilada, your whole life, but open up. You wanna get to know about her goals, her aspirations, her dreams, etc., and then you yourself need to open up as well. How were you raised? Your upbringing, your goals, your vision. When you start connecting on that type of personal level, that's when you create that intimacy that you both need. And finally, day 7, follow up with adrenaline. Here's the interesting thing that science has taught us. Love can actually be created through intimacy and adrenaline. So, on day 6, you created that intimacy through that deep connection. Day 7, you're about to create that adrenaline. And you do that through a date that's exhilarating. See, when you guys do something exhilarating on a date rather than just a basic movie and dinner, what happens is that both your hearts are rushing. Adrenaline is pumping through your body, and in her mind, she thinks this is butterflies. She thinks this is chemistry. Now combine that with the intimacy from the previous day, and now you got a girl that's madly in love with you in 7 days. Yo, I don't lie when I do these videos. I don't. You try this formula, I promise you, you got her in the bag, bro. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, I don't know if I'm gonna tell you to share this video, honestly. If you are, I would copy the link and send it to your closest boys, the boys you trust, because the stuff in this video is powerful, and I don't want you to misuse this. I don't want you to misuse this to lead on girls. Do it for the love of your life. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, like I said, that's it for me today. See you next time.